Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wishing you could magically transport those funds into the exciting world of crypto? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into how to send money to Newton Crypto. Let's get started. Understanding Newton Crypto. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly break down what Newton Crypto is. In essence, it's your gateway to the crypto universe. Think of it as your friendly neighborhood crypto exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade a variety of digital currencies. Why use Newton Crypto? Now, you might be wondering, why should I use Newton Crypto? Fair question. Well, Newton boasts a user-friendly interface, making it perfect for both crypto newbies and seasoned traders. Plus, they offer a decent selection of cryptocurrencies, and their security measures are top-notch. Getting started with Newton. The first step in your crypto journey is creating a Newton account. It's a straightforward process that involves providing some basic information. Once you've verified your account, it's time to connect your bank account. Connecting your bank account. Linking your bank account to Newton is a breeze. Most likely, you'll have the option to connect through online banking or by providing your account details manually. Always double-check the information to avoid any hiccups. Making your first deposit. With your bank account connected, it's time to make that first exciting deposit. Newton typically offers a few deposit methods. You can choose the one that suits you best. Whether it's a direct bank transfer, using a debit card, or even through a cryptocurrency wallet, Newton likely has you covered. Understanding deposit limits. It's crucial to be aware of Newton's deposit limits. These limits are in place for security reasons and to comply with financial regulations. Be sure to check the specific limits for your account type. Deposit fees. While Newton is known for its user-friendly approach, it's essential to be aware of any potential deposit fees. Some deposit methods might incur charges, so it's always a good idea to review the fee structure before making a deposit. Security best practices. Now, let's talk about security. The crypto world can be exciting, but it's also essential to protect your funds. Here are some tips. Strong password. Create a complex password that combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. Beware of phishing attempts. Be cautious of emails or messages asking for your personal information. Newton will never ask for your password or sensitive details through email. Regularly review your account. Keep an eye on your account activity for any suspicious transactions. Common issues and troubleshooting. Let's face it, technical glitches happen. If you encounter any issues while sending money to Newton, don't panic. Here are some common problems and potential solutions. Deposit pending. Sometimes, deposits can take a few business days to process. If it's been longer than expected, contact Newton support. Incorrect account information. Double-check that you entered the correct bank account details. Even a small error can cause delays. Insufficient funds. Ensure you have enough funds in your bank account to cover the deposit amount. Additional tips. Start small. If you're new to crypto, it's wise to start with a smaller deposit to get a feel for the process. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies. Stay informed. The crypto market is constantly changing. Stay updated on the latest news and trends. Conclusion. Sending money to Newton Crypto is generally a straightforward process. By following these steps and keeping security in mind, you can confidently start your crypto journey. Remember, do your own research and invest wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.